our partners, educators, friends from the media, fellow Ayala Land executives, and everyone joining us tonight, thank you very much for being here. It's always a joy to welcome the Christmas season here in Makati, a place that many consider to be the heart of Christmas in Makati. And as we light up Makati, we continue a tradition that has brought families, friends, communities together for decades. But each year, we also reimagine it to give new meaning to the Filipino Christmas we all know and love. This year's theme reflects that spirit of creativity and renewal. We've taken familiar symbols, the Christmas tree and the parol, and reinterpreted them through unexpected colors and patterns inspired by the sari manok and the anahaw. These symbolize prosperity and resilience, virtues that define both the Filipino spirit and Makati. These designs celebrate Filipino heritage expressed in a modern, contemporary way, much like Makati itself. We are also extending the magic of the celebration beyond Ayala Avenue and Ayala Triangle, as Paseo de Rojas and Makati Avenue will also be lighting up tonight, and soon, Circuit Makati will join in. Makati is a city that continues to evolve, a place where the old and the new stand together, and here, timeless landmarks shares space with new ideas and new energy. It's a city that honors its past while constantly looking ahead. Beyond the lights and decor, tonight's celebration is about that time, that same spirit, the coming together of tradition and innovation, of people and place, of memory and new beginnings. And as we light up the city tonight, may these colors remind us that Christmas, at its heart, is about connection, of family, of community, and of the Filipino spirit that continues to illuminate Makati throughout the years. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you.
Something people look forward to, myself included. Isa na po siyang tradisyon na laging inaabangan bilang ng mga taga-Makati, ngunit pati ng mga Pilipino mula sa ibang mga bayan. Everyone wants to see the bright and colorful lights and decorations Ayala will be putting up every year. I am grateful and honored to now be officially part of this tradition. Dear friends, as we all know, our kababayans have recently been devastated by typhoons, floods, and earthquakes. Many have lost their homes and loved ones and will spend Christmas without them for the first time. This is the reason why this year, Ayala's lights hold a deeper meaning for all of us. They serve as a quiet promise of a bright tomorrow that will offer hope and joy. They bring the spirit of Christmas, of warmth, compassion, and love to the hearts of the weary and move us to uplift our downtrodden forever. On behalf of the City Government of Makati, I wish to extend our gratitude to our partners from the private sector, the Zobel Ayala family, Ayala Land, and Masaya, for being the bringers of happiness and hope, not just to the Central Business District, but to the entire country. Thank you very much, friends. May these lights herald and merry, blessed Christmas for us. Maraming salamat.